वेलकम बैक। आप देख रहे हो लेट्स टॉक और हमारे साथ है कुणाल खेमू जो बनने वाले हैं सुपरस्टार, इनफैक्ट बन चुके हैं सुपरस्टार। बिफोर यू थिंक आई एम बीइंग वन लाइक टाइप पर्सन, दैट्स योर फिल्म।
Yep.
Superstar.
Yeah.
I don't know anything about it. Tell us.
Well, Superstar actually is the story of a dreamer
Okay.
whose name is Kunal.
Oh, अच्छा।
His name is Kunal.
इत्तेफाक से हाँ।
It's his story. He's somebody who wants to be an actor. He is somebody who's always seen a film poster and imagined that he wants to be on that. And he's trying everything to do that. He's not just going to producer's office कि सर ये मेरी फोटो है मुझे काम दे दो. But he's also a back row dancer. वो heroes के पीछे फिल्मों में डांस करता है.
अच्छा, okay.
वो एक स्टंट डबल है, एक्शन वर्क करता है. ये सोच के कि रियलिटी शोज में पार्ट लेता है कि शायद एक कुछ ना कुछ हो जाएगा. But the day he's about to make it big, he comes across another guy who exactly looks like him because film में double role है. So there's another guy called Karan, which also I'm doing. He looks a bit different. He is a very rich producer's son. He is the so-called brat who is aimless in life. He's not a dreamer. He's not ambitious. He's just having fun with the money that his father has. अब उसके पिताजी उसके लिए साल की सबसे बड़ी फिल्म बना रहे हैं, which he is also not interested in doing.
Oh.
So here is the problem for the other guy who's always wanted to be an actor because now he'll be called a duplicate. But then how these two guys meet and what fun happens in the film, that's the basic crux of the film. It's my first commercial masala entertainer, you know.
Typical type.
Typical, it's got everything in it.
Are lovely.
Very filmy.
Are very good. And there is romance and all in it.
Everything is there, yeah.
Okay. You like Tulip?
Yeah, I like all the girls. I like you.
Look at it. I don't know why they never answer honestly to me.
I do like Tulip, yeah.
You like Tulip. Yeah. Chemistry is good, है ना?
It's good.
Is she single?
No.
No? अफसोस। अच्छा, who's single who you've done a film with that you're interested in?
Oh, who I am interested in? Oh, no. They're all pretty women. I don't want to cut down on my options till the time I really decide.
अच्छा। Spoken like a true youngster. But कोई नहीं, कोई खास नहीं है जिंदगी में।
नहीं, अभी फिलहाल नहीं।
क्योंकि वक्त नहीं है।
नहीं, actually वो बहुत cliched sound करता है, मेरे पास वक्त नहीं है. It's basically that I certainly believe that you need to give time to a relationship, or especially when it gets to a girlfriend-boyfriend relationship, it also comes with the certain aspects like possessiveness and inquisitiveness, so-called shuck. It's not only like your mother calls up and says, "Beta, where are you?" But your girlfriend will call up and say, "Where are you? With who are you? Are you sure?"
वो kissing sound क्या है? हाँ, scene है. अच्छा, oh.
मुझे तो पता था कि you're going to be back by 7, and this profession there's no Sunday, there's no particular shift and everything.
तो फिर इसी फील्ड की किसी लड़की को चुनो ना.
But like I said, when I come across somebody like that, well, let's see.
And you'll tell us.
That still depends.
कि हम अखबारों में पढ़ेंगे.
नहीं, अगर अखबारों तक की नौबत आ जाएगी तो I might as well see it.
है ना, might as well. अभी तुम्हारे बारे में कोई rumors वगैरह नहीं आए ना?
फिलहाल तो नहीं.
See, then you're still a struggler.
I'm quite happy.
जब तक कुछ बकवास नहीं लिखी जाती अपने बारे में, then you have to assume कि अभी तक they've not realized that I am around.
I'm quite happy being in this.
हाँ, so then you have to psych somebody and just say something dramatic. कुछ भी कह दो.
कुत्ते में तेरा खून पी जाऊँ.
No connection whatsoever with gossip, but then he did that well. Now in college, you went to like a college in Mumbai, theater वगैरह कर रहे थे, लेकिन पढ़ाई क्यों पूरी की? Because you thought कि नहीं, backup plan होना चाहिए.
No, it's not because of a backup plan. I wanted to complete my basic education, or then I didn't do a specialization course because I was very clear in my head that what I wanted to do. So otherwise I would have gone and done an MBA.
So you didn't have much struggling to do because भट्ट साहब से equation तो already था. तो जब तुमने फैसला किया कि मैं फिल्मों में आऊँगा, you went straight to him and said, okay, launch me.
Honestly, yes, I did not have to go through all that struggling phase, but see, there's always an uncertainty because nobody will just take you in a film.
True.
You have to be good enough for it. You have to be viable to make a film with you. So yes, I'm very thankful to Bhatt Saab that he gave me a film, and it was also a solo hero film. So Mukesh ji to give me a film which is a solo hero film, to market it then. And it's not like I am somebody who's the most awaited thing, or I'm a star son that I have something around me. So yes, I am very thankful to them. I think yes, to a certain extent I've been lucky enough in that way to get a break so early and so easily, because people struggle a lot. So
Kalyug is your first film. Did you have any difficulties doing any of it? And I know body बहुत मतलब tough लगी थी and all. तो heavy duty workout हुआ होगा?
The workout तो खैर college से चल ही रहा था, because you're going to go into something, so you better look big.
वो तो सभी कहते हैं अब हम बड़े हो गए मतलब we have to become big.
It's also become big because I've always been a short kid in my life. मैं उस लाइन में दूसरा या तीसरा खड़ा होता था जब height wise line. So I was always very conscious about that fact, and I was a very skinny kid. So even when I joined gym, तो मैं जिम में जाके भी ऐसा लगता था यार पहले कहीं छोटे जिम में जाता हूँ, थोड़ी बना लेता हूँ, ताकि ऐसा नहीं लगे कि लोग ऐसे देखें कि अरे ये भी जिम में आ गया. So तो इसीलिए like when I got to my third year, I kind of started going to the gym regularly, and I think उस वक्त मैं ज्यादा सीरियस था अपनी फिजिक को लेके, because I wanted to get into a good frame.
अभी तुम नहीं लग रहे इतने टफ वफ.
नहीं, अभी तो मैं थोड़ा आलसी भी हो गया, but I kind of changed myself for different films, you know, because an actor, I can't look big in all the films. Whatever the character needs, according to that I keep.
आई एम वेरी हैप्पी तुमने अपने बाल कटा लिए.
Because मैं कभी जिंदगी में लंबे बाल नहीं रखे, मैं हमेशा वो 1 इंच से लंबे नहीं करता था. I used to keep spikes in college. But वही जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा, जब मेरी graduation खत्म हुई, I still used to look like somebody who's just come into junior college. So I think the first thing I needed to do is somehow look, you know.
Or then wait till you're 30.
Yeah, which I couldn't.
No.
और ऐसा भी नहीं कि मेरी दाढ़ी आती थी, अभी भी मेरी पूरी दाढ़ी नहीं आती है. तो I think कि I said कि चलो बाल लंबे कर लो, शायद it'll add 1 or 2 years to me. So
यहाँ नहीं बढ़ रहे तो यहाँ बढ़ा लेते हैं.
yeah, and then after Kalyug, you know, people like that long haired look. Only then it was straight, but straight is not my natural hair. It's curly. So only in Dhol that it was my natural hair curly. तो like I said, अब जैसे जैसे किरदार आते हैं फिल्मों में, I keep on kind of, you know, changing myself for them.
तो किस किस्म का रोल सबसे like आसानी से आ जाता है तुम्हें?
आसानी से तो खैर I think acting I really enjoy doing that, but जब अलग अलग कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं, आई थिंक द होल प्रोसेस व्हेन यू आर इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ यू नो स्क्रिप्टिंग दिस फिल्म एंड यू हैव दोज डिस्कशंस विद द डायरेक्टर ऑफ हाउ दिस कैरेक्टर हैज टू बी डन, सो आई थिंक वो सब आपको सबकॉन्शियसली प्रिपेयर कर देता है. एंड देन आई पर्सनली व्हेन आई गो ऑन द सेट्स आई एम वेरी इम्प्रॉम्प्टू, बिकॉज आई थिंक आई एम क्वाइट फेड, यू नो, आई एम loaded with what I know, what I'm going to do, how this person has to behave and all that. So I then just let it go, and then the director is there to tell you whatever.
अच्छा, you're not the kind of script में like all that and I'm so sure.
No, I can't do that. In fact, sometimes I don't even by heart my dialogues. I can't do that, you know, because if you like by heart them, and then even if one word goes here and there, and then you just become like, because we've done that in theatre.
रट्टू तोता टाइप्स नहीं होना.
जी नहीं, बिल्कुल.
And फिल्मों में तो जरूरत भी नहीं है.
हाँ, as long as you're saying the right things. I mean, you can't say कि मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत है और अब मुझे तुमसे नफरत है. That's obviously the love. मुझे तुमसे बहुत मोहब्बत है,
या मुझे तुमसे प्यार है, same.
मुझे तुमसे प्यार है. So all those things are manageable. So.
Of course, he's starting to hit on me, so I'm going to give him a lecture in a small little break. Don't go anywhere. वक्त एक और छोटे से break का.